Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Recently I changed the firmware for this radio. You can download from the GitHub and load to this radio. But before changing the firmware, you should open the case and check the hardware. It should be the same as firmware for this hardware. In the new firmware you can find the additional functionalities such as calibration, brightness. You can change the brightness of the screen, make some calibration in the frequency, additional menu has where is it? Automatic AVC, gain, and when you press the knob, the menu appears during the around 10 seconds. Yeah, and the first firmware was around 3 seconds, and you don't have enough time to make a decision to change something.
Dış problemleri o yüzden. Evet, mikrofon tekrar içinde Tango Alfa 7, Tango Echo Mike, Delta Lima 7, Bravo Romeo Delta. Kuefel, Berlin, Almanya'nın başkenti.
10 Hz. Soft mute works much better.
Delta Lima 3 Foxtrot Echo, Ferda Bey'i tanıyorum. Bizim bu taraftan ama biz de birbirimizi duyamıyoruz. Aynısını Türkiye'de duyamadığımız gibi. 3
ESP32 bye bye. Okay, Mr. Audi, Lima Alpha 4, Queen Romeo Alpha, correct?
Yes, correct. You're 5x959 here in Norway, yourself.
Okay, Mr. Audi, nice to copy you for the first time.
Lima Alpha 4,
Queen Romeo Alpha, you're 57.9, picking 59, and nice to copy you for the first time, over.
Oh, thank you very much. You're also 57 to 59 here in Norway. Thank you. Bye-bye and good days and good week.
Thank you very much.